Morning dear students, today we are going to start with the next part of the nomenclature, that is rule number 4 children. The rule says that different functional group or different types of substituent, they are arranged and named alphabetically. Okay, so let us take one example for this group. Okay, see, different functional group or different types of substituents. Say for example, I am having a chain CH3 CHCl, okay, CH2 CH2 CHBr and CH3. Say this is the example for this rule. Okay, rule number 4. It says that different functional group or different types of substituents. Okay, so say for example, I am having two functional groups attached here. One is chlorine and the other is bromine. You can see here. Okay, now when such groups are attached, okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to name them alphabetical order. Okay, we are going to arrange them as well as name them according to their alphabetical order. So firstly we will select the chain. The longest chain is this. How many number of carbon atom? 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 carbons. Okay, so here the root word is what? Hex. Okay, the root word is hex. Now there are two functional groups, okay, chlorine and bromine. Now I will arrange them alphabetical order. I will arrange them according to their alphabetical order. Okay, alphabetical order. So bromine का B first आएगा, then chlorine का C आएगा. So how I will give the numbering to this compound is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, see here. So I have given the naming according to their alphabetical order, children. Okay, so what is the name of this compound? Now the bromine is on the second position. So for halogens, okay, we usually give them name as halo compounds. Halo. So we have halogens like bromine. So for bromine we will write what? Bromo. Halo, bromo. Okay, for chlorine we will write chloro. Okay, for iodine we will write iodo. Okay, and for fluorine we will write fluoro. Okay, this way. Okay, now these all names of the halogens. Okay, halogens names are used in prefix. They are used in prefix always. They are never used as suffix. Okay, they are never used as suffix. Now what will be the name of the compound? Okay, so how I will write the name of the compound? The name of the compound is 2-bromo. 2-bromo, because bromine is on the second position. So 2-bromo. Okay, 2-bromo, then again hyphen. Now position is 5 for chlorine, 5-chloro. Okay, now what is the name of the compound? Root word is what? Hex, and all the chain is containing single bond, so it is a hexane. Okay, are you getting? The name of the compound is what? 2-bromo 5-chlorohexane. Hexane is the root word. Okay, ane is the primary suffix. And these two are the types of substituents. Now these substituents are nothing but they are halogens. Okay, and because they are halogens, hence their name is used in prefix. The name is used in prefix, and their name will be always alphabetical. Name will be always alphabetical order. Okay, alphabetical order. So let us take one more example. Say for example, okay, I am having one more compound. Say example here is CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3, and here I am having Br. Okay, this is the compound. Now children, we will select the longest chain. So the longest chain is what? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is my longest chain. Now this longest chain has 4 carbons, hence root word is what? But. Because the chain is single bonded, I will write suffix as what? Ane. Okay, suffix will be used as ane. Now see here, from where the numbering will be started? The numbering will start from this left hand side. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, but on the second position of this carbon atom, you can see there are 2 substituents attached. Here on the second position there are 2 substituents attached. One is alkyl group and the other is methyl group. So CH3 is a methyl. Okay, and Br we will write as what? Bromo. Br, bromine, we will write as bromo. Now there are these 2 substituents will be named alphabetically. They will be named alphabetically. So first bromo will come because of B, and then methyl will come. Okay, so how I will write the name here? I will write the first position of the bromo, that is 2-bromo. Hyphen. Again on the second position I am having methyl, so again 2, then I will write methyl, hyphen methyl, and the root word is but, and suffix is what? Ane. So the name of the compound is 2-bromo 2-methyl butane. Are you getting children? So I hope that you are able to understand this rule. Okay, again the rule says that if there are 2 functional groups attached or 2 types of functional groups are there, they are arranged and named alphabetically. So now the order of preference, if there are 2 or more than 2 halogens, then the order of preference is first we will prefer iodine, bromine, chlorine and fluorine, but they will be named always what? Alphabetically. Their name will be preferred alphabetically. Okay, now here if 2 different functional groups are present, one more example I am taking containing the main functional group also in the chain. Say for example I am having CH3, CH, Cl, CH2 and COOH. Okay, now this way. Okay, there are 2 functional groups. Children, firstly you need to remember that COOH is a functional group. Which functional group it is, children? This is a carboxylic functional group, carboxylic acid. Okay, which will be named as what? Oic acid in the suffix, oic acid in suffix. But the carbon of this functional group will also be counted in the chain. Okay, the carbon of this functional group will be counted in the chain. इस कार्बन को भी हम चेन में काउंट करेंगे. सो आई विल सिलेक्ट द लॉन्गेस्ट चेन. दिस इज माई लॉन्गेस्ट चेन. नाउ हाउ आई विल डू द नंबरिंग? आई विल गिव द नंबरिंग. देर आर 2 फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स. नाउ सी द ऑर्डर ऑफ प्रेफरेंस. जब 2 डिफरेंट फंक्शनल ग्रुप होंगे तो सबसे पहले हम हमेशा COOH को ही प्रेफरेंस देंगे, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड को, दैट इज ओइक एसिड को सबसे पहला प्रेफरेंस मिलेगा. देन वी विल गिव द प्रेफरेंस टू द एल्डिहाइड, दैट इज आल. देन वी विल गिव द प्रेफरेंस टू ऑल एंड देन वी विल गिव द प्रेफरेंस टू हैलो. तो अब यहाँ पे 2 फंक्शनल ग्रुप है ना, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड एंड हैलोजन. तो इन दोनों में से फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस किसको मिलेगा? COOH ग्रुप को. वी विल प्रिफर COH ग्रुप फर्स्ट एंड देन वी विल प्रिफर हैलोजन. So the numbering we will count the carbon of this oic acid and all. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So root word. What is the root word here? Root word is but, because 4 carbon atoms are there. Because the chain is single bonded. Now the chain is what? Single bonded chain. Hence the suffix will be used as what? Ane. Okay. ANE. Now here the prefix. In prefix we will use what? Prefix we will use word chloro along with the position. Okay, chloro with the position. Now this ANE is a primary suffix. You need to remember primary suffix. Okay, and oic acid secondary suffix. Secondary suffix is our oic acid. Now let us join the whole name. हमको नाम जोड़ना है तो पहला क्या आएगा? प्रीफिक्स लिखेंगे along with the position, then we will write the root word and then we will write the suffix. अब suffix में दो suffix है, primary and secondary. Okay, so how I will write the name of the compound? prefix मेरा क्या है? क्लोरो. क्लोरो कौन से पोजीशन पे है? थर्ड पोजीशन पे है. so prefix में मैंने क्या लिखा? 3 क्लोरो. ओके, रूट वर्ड मेरी क्या है? ब्यूट. बिकॉज चेन पूरी सिंगल बॉन्डेड है तो ब्यूट का AN रहेगा. अब ये वाला रूल तो याद होगा ना कि इन द नॉमेनक्लेचर if the E of the alkane has to be dropped if the suffix is a functional group. So here we have a functional group in the suffix, that is oic acid. So hence I will drop E of the alkane. E नहीं लिखेंगे यहाँ पे ANE का, ठीक है. And now after writing this root word I will write the position of the position of the functional group. At what position is it? is 1 पे है ना हमारा oic acid है ये. It is on the first position. So 1 oic acid. Okay, this is the name of the compound. Now in this name 3-chloro is a prefix. It is a prefix. But is root word. An is a primary suffix. Okay, and 1 oic acid is a secondary suffix. Are you getting? I hope that you are able to understand. Let us take one more example. I am having chain CH3, CH2, CHCl, CH2, CH2, CHOH, CH3. Now in this chain again two groups are present, two functional groups are there. Okay, this functional group is a halogen. It is a halogen which is used in prefix, which is always written in prefix. This is an all. Alcohol से ये क्या है? all. Okay, all group. All. Where I will write it? I will write it in the suffix. Now let us do the numbering. From where I will start the numbering, children? See here. This is my longest chain. Now I will do the numbering from this position because this functional group OH should get the least position according to the seniority chart I have given here. Yes or no? See here. In this chart I have mentioned how you will give the order of preference. First you will give preference to alcohol, then halogen. So least possible numbering किसको देंगे हम? Alcohol को देंगे. So the numbering will start from here on the right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 कार्बन एटम है तो मेरा रूट वर्ड क्या हो गया? My root word is what? Hept. Root word is hept. Okay, now on the second position I have an all group. Okay, and on the fifth position I have a chloro. So what is the name of the compound? 5-chloro. Okay, 5-chloro हो गया, प्रीफिक्स लग गया है. अभी रूट वर्ड लगेगा. रूट वर्ड क्या है? हेप्ट. ओके, पूरी चेन क्या है? सिंगल बॉन्डेड है इसलिए AN. अब E जो है सफिक्स में से वो ड्रॉप हो जाएगा. ANE का E will drop out because I am using a functional group here. And what is the position of the functional group? On the second carbon I am having a functional group OH. What I will write its name? All. So the name of the compound is 5-chloroheptane-2-all. This is the name of the compound. अगर चिल्ड्रेन कभी हम एग्ज़ाम में अगर फंस गए कि हमको किस तरह से पोजीशन देना है, नंबरिंग देना है, तो ये भी मैं तुमको बता दूं कि एक एडिशन, ये एक ट्रिक है. देयर इज़ वन ट्रिक दैट इज़ एन एडिशन ट्रिक. ओके, एडिशन ट्रिक, जब हमारे दो फंक्शनल ग्रुप होते हैं तो हम एडिशन करते हैं। अब देखो, जब मैंने राइट हैंड साइड से नंबरिंग किया है, राइट हैंड साइड से जब नंबरिंग किया है तो 2 और 5 आ रहा है। राइट हैंड साइड से सब्स्टिट्यूएंट की एडिशन क्या आएगी, सब्स्टिट्यूएंट ग्रुप्स की एडिशन क्या आ रही है, 5 + 2 = 7। अगर मैं लेफ़्ट हैंड साइड से नंबरिंग कर रही हूँ, चेन को लेफ़्ट हैंड साइड से नंबरिंग करूँगी, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। नाउ सी हियर व्हाट इज़ द पोजीशन हियर, 3 एंड दिस पोजीशन इज 6। तो लेफ़्ट हैंड साइड से सब्स्टिट्यूएंट ग्रुप की जो नंबरिंग हुई है उसमें 3 + 6 आ रहा है, तो एडिशन क्या हो रहा है, 9 है ना। तो हमको क्या करना है, हमको देखना है कि हमारा एडिशन क्या होना चाहिए, हमेशा लेस होना चाहिए। ओके, द एडिशन शुड ऑलवेज बी लेस। तो ये वाला करेक्ट मेथड है और ये क्या है, रॉन्ग मेथड है। आर यू गेटिंग? दिस इज अ ट्रिक टू रिमेंबर। इफ देर आर 2 or more than 2 functional groups in the chain, then if you don't know from where to do the numbering, you can use this addition trick. Okay, if you understand then only do. From the right hand side I get the addition 7 and from the left hand side I get the addition 9. So I will prefer the first one. This one will be not used. Okay, I hope that till here you have understood. So we will go with the next nomenclature in the next class. Till here if you have any doubt then ask me. Thank you.